building muscle is a commitment, and fueling your body right is key. Today, we're conquering those evening cravings with delicious and muscle-building snacks. Welcome to Health Sabs. The evening is a crucial time for muscle recovery. Your body needs the right nutrients to repair and rebuild muscle tissue after a tough workout. But don't worry, we're not talking bland protein shakes. Let's explore some nutrient-packed healthy evening snacks that are both delicious and support your muscle-building goals. Number 1 is a protein-packed trail mix with nuts and seeds. A portable powerhouse. Nuts and seeds are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and energized. Muscle boost: choose almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds for a protein and healthy fat. Number 2 is Greek yogurt with honey and mixed berries. A classic combo for a reason. Greek yogurt is a protein champion, while berries add a burst of antioxidants and natural sweetness. Muscle boost: opt for plain Greek yogurt and control the sweetness with honey. Berries like blueberries and raspberries are high in antioxidants for overall health. Number 3 is whole grain toast with avocado and turkey bacon. This balanced snack offers complex carbs from the toast, healthy fats from avocado, and protein from the turkey bacon. Muscle boost: choose whole wheat toast for sustained energy. Mash half an avocado for healthy fats and fiber. Turkey bacon provides lean protein for muscle building. Number 4 is cottage cheese with sliced peaches and cinnamon. A light and refreshing option. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein, while peaches add sweetness and fiber. Cinnamon provides a touch of warmth and may help regulate blood sugar. Muscle boost: opt for low-fat cottage cheese for protein without excess calories. Choose ripe peaches for natural sweetness and fiber. Number 5 is apple slices with peanut butter and honey. A classic and satisfying snack. Apples provide fiber and natural sweetness, while peanut butter adds protein and healthy fats. Muscle boost: choose whole apples for the most fiber. Look for natural peanut butter with no added sugars. Drizzle a touch of honey for extra sweetness. Number 6 is a protein-rich milkshake with casein protein, banana, and almond milk. This creamy treat packs a protein punch with casein protein powder. Bananas offer natural sweetness and potassium, while almond milk provides a healthy alternative to dairy milk. Muscle boost: casein protein is a slow-digesting protein, ideal for evening snacks as it provides sustained muscle support throughout the night. Number 7 is Korean-style protein rice cakes with almond butter and banana slices. A fun and flavorful twist. Toasted rice cakes provide a satisfying crunch, while almond butter delivers protein and healthy fats. Banana adds natural sweetness and potassium. Muscle boost: look for high-protein, puffed rice cakes. Choose natural almond butter for a protein and healthy fat boost. Number 8 is Indian-inspired protein lassi with yogurt, milk, and spices. A refreshing and protein-packed beverage. Yogurt is a great source of protein, while milk adds calcium and other essential nutrients. Spices like cardamom and cinnamon offer a unique flavor profile. Muscle boost: use plain yogurt for protein control. Choose low-fat milk to keep the calorie count in check. Experiment with spices like cardamom and cinnamon for potential blood sugar regulation benefits. Number 9 is a Mexican-style protein quesadilla with whole grain tortilla, beans, and avocado. A fiesta of flavors and protein. A whole wheat tortilla provides complex carbs, while beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Avocado adds healthy fats and creaminess. Muscle boost: choose whole wheat tortillas for sustained energy. Look for black beans or pinto beans for their high protein content. Mash half an avocado for healthy fats and fiber. Remember to choose snacks that are nutrient-dense and low in added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. Also, ensure you're meeting your daily protein needs to support muscle gain. Consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. In the comments below, share your favorite muscle-building evening snacks.